Okay guys, 2005 Santa Fe here. Hyundai Santa Fe starter replacement. It'll be right under the front by the radiator. You'll have this heat shield covering it. It slides up in there. If you don't drop the exhaust, you will have to bend. I bent this corner and then bent right there to get it out around the exhaust, because they said you have to drop the exhaust. This is like an $800 job. They dropped that. So, and then bam, the starter will fall out without that. The heat shield is just the hardest thing to get out of the way. Then you have one bolt here and then a nut right up past, literally the same spot, just right up past. 2 bolts. You got your top one is your hot. Make sure you have your battery disconnected. You got 1 wire here. You just press in, pull off. 2 bolts, easy to get to. Do not pull your exhaust and everything.